finance, academia, scientific research, health, retail, IT, automobile, manufacturing, e-commerce, and possibly every other industry you've heard of. You can choose one to launch your career if you study data science. There's much said about it. There's a lot available over the internet giving you all kinds of info you want to know. But for this video, I will stick to something we should know about getting started with a career in data sciences. I'm not going to talk about why you should pursue these programs and kitne jobs create hone wali hain in the future. We all know how booming this field is. I will talk about what you need to know. Without much further ado, let us dive straight in. So let's start with what background is required. ये सबसे confusing question है for most students कि background क्या चाहिए data sciences degree के लिए. Ideally, I would say mathematics, statistics, and IT related backgrounds will do. For bachelor's level students, many universities will accept you from most streams, provided you opt for math. Some may ask for additional relevant subjects such as computer sciences, but options are plenty. For masters, there are ample possibilities as well. First, there are universities that will offer you a place without a relevant background. Second, some universities will offer you a place if you have some relevant experience in the field, even if you don't have a relevant undergraduate degree. Third, then there are some that require a relevant bachelor's degree such as computer sciences. All possibilities exist. Even if you developed an interest in the subject quite late in your career, there will be a lot of institutions offering you options in the field. Next, are there any test requirements? Standardized English tests will be generally required by most universities, जैसे कि IELTS, TOEFL or PT. However, कुछ countries में, such as the UK and Australia, you can also get IELTS favors. इसके अलावा, some universities may ask for GRE scores as well, which will be most common in the United States. Next important question, what are the program options? So there are a variety of programs available with a range of course duration. There are 3 or 4 year bachelor's degrees, 1 or 2 year master's degrees, undergraduate diplomas, postgraduate certificates and postgraduate diplomas. Mostly सारी ही countries में you will get the options जैसे कि US, UK, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia and Europe. Kafi universities will also offer online programs in data sciences at beginner, intermediate and advanced levels if you're looking to build a career in the field. अब आते हैं main point पे. So what exactly you're going to spend? So tuition fee will vary from country to country. UK में on an average, bachelors in data sciences will range between 12 to 20,000 pounds per annum, which for 3 years will be 36 to 60,000 pounds or 36 to 60 lakh rupees. Master's degree का cost रहेगा between 15 to 35,000 pounds for the full program, which is roughly around 15 to 35 lakh rupees. Canada में 2 साल के diplomas will cost you on an average 30 to 36,000 Canadian dollars, which will be 17 to 21 lakh rupees for the full program. Bachelor's degree cost करेंगी between 20 to 30,000 Canadian dollars for 1 year, and for a 4-year degree it will be around 80 to 120,000 dollars or 47 to 71 lakh rupees. Master's degree will cost 20 to 30,000 Canadian dollars per annum and 40 to 60,000 dollars for the full program. That will be around 23 to 35 lakhs in the Indian currency. US में 4 साल की bachelor's degree will cost you 80,000 to 100,000 dollars, roughly around 61 to 76 lakh rupees, depending on the type of university. इसमें public universities will be cheaper and private ones will be expensive. Masters के लिए you can expect to spend around 50 to 80,000 dollars for a full 2 years degree, जो roughly होगी around 38 to 61 lakh rupees. Australia में data sciences bachelor degree cost कर सकती है in the range of 24,000 to 40,000 dollars per annum, that is 72,000 to 120,000 dollars, roughly around 39 to 65 lakhs. मास्टर्स के लिए आपको स्पेंड करने होंगे 60,000 to 90,000 dollars for the full 2-year program. That will be 32 to 49 lakh rupees in the Indian currency. The data sciences sector witnessed a massive hike of 650% since 2012, and that's a massive growth. This is bound to grow in years to come. Are you looking to pursue a program in data sciences, or maybe you want to switch to data sciences as a career? Book a session with our experts to know your options. Link is in the description box below. And before you leave, do let me know which subject I should cover in the next video. Not just data sciences. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, machine learning, software development, and cloud computing are also one of the fastest growing fields to pursue a degree in. Learn more about these and lots more in this video I would highly recommend.